Today we'll look at part 4 of non-action verbs, and we'll be talking about hear and listen. 今日はノンアクション動詞の4番目です。で、今日は hear と listen の勉強します。Hear is a non-action verb. When I'm awake or when I'm sleeping, at any time, I can hear different things around me. It's not something I'm actively doing. I'm not putting any effort into that. I'm not trying to hear, but it naturally happens. Due to this, it's a non-action verb. So I can say, I hear the dog barking. But I can't say I'm hearing the dog barking. This is wrong. Hear is not an action. I'm putting no effort into that. I'm not trying hard to hear it. If I was trying hard to hear the barking, maybe I would try to figure out where the barking is coming from, what direction, or maybe what kind of dog is barking. But with hear, we can't use it in a present continuous or present progressive form because I'm not putting any effort into that. There's no action going on. It's just one of my senses. If we look at listen, listen is when we try to hear. I'm putting effort into hearing. I'm trying to hear something. I'm concentrating to hear. So with listen, we can use, listen is an action verb, so we can use it in the present continuous or present progressive forms. So with listen, we can say, I'm listening to the lesson. So I'm putting some effort in to hear the lesson. I'm concentrating to hear what the teacher is saying. So we can use listen in the present continuous or present progressive sense. 最初の動詞 hear はノンアクションの動詞ですね。hear は聞こえること。何もしなくても聞こえるんですね。寝ても聞こえるんですね。努力はしてない。集中はしてない。それでノンアクションになるんですね。So, here を使うときは必ず現在形の形で使うんですね。現在進行形は使えない。ノンアクションの動詞なので。So, I hear the dog barking は正しいですね。Next is listen. Listen is an action verb. Listen は action の動詞ですね。Listen の意味は集中して聞く。努力して聞く。努力してるので、アクションの動詞で現在進行形の形で使ってもいいんですね。I'm listening to the lesson. So 先生のが教えていることを集中して聞く。理解するように。So, listen は努力してる。So, 現在進行形を使ってもいいけど、hear はダメですね。And looking at the final wrap up for today. So, non-action verbs, we have different forms of them. We have emotions, senses, thinking, and belongings. These 4 different groups are all non-action verbs. We don't use these verbs in the present continuous form. We don't use them in the present progressive form. The be plus ing form, we don't use them. So we have emotions, love, hate, like, dislike. Senses, hear, see, smell, taste, feel. Thinking, know, understand, believe, think. Belongings, have, own. These are all non-action verbs. Sometimes people say stative verbs also. All these verbs we don't use in the present continuous form or present progressive form.